Welcome back to another episode of TshirtChick TV. I'm Sin, also known as TshirtChick, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So if you want to see what I'm unboxing, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
I had a company that actually reached out to me about doing a video for some of their products. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do an unboxing, and I'm going to let you guys see what I have. All right, so here's the box right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And let you guys see right here. This is some DTF powder and some DTF film right here. The company that sent these items is actually GOZYE, GOZYE. I'm gonna put it up on the screen just in case y'all don't know. And they're actually a company that provides DTF transfers, supplies, and they also sell the DTF printers. Right now, you can check down below this video. I will have a link below for a discount code so that you can save some money while you're purchasing your DTF products. And if you guys do not know, even if you do not do DTF, you can still use these supplies right here that I have, the DTF transfer film and the DTF powder. You can use both of these to actually sublimate onto cotton. So if you're interested in that, trying that out, it actually works. I've tried it before. A lot of people have tried it, but right now, while you got that discount code right below this video, y'all can go check it out. Make sure that you use my link down below this video, and that way you can save money, so why not save a little bit of money? But right here we have GOZYE DTF transfer film, GOZYE DTF transfer powder. So if y'all just wanted to try this out just to see if you would be interested in doing the sublimation to cotton using this DTF powder right here, as y'all see, it's double sealed. That way you don't have to worry about your powder spilling out. I've heard some people leave comments and talk about how they had powder spilling out, but this is well packed. And you can get a small pack, and they also have a big pack. So if you just want to try it out, you don't want to have to necessarily get a huge pack. You can get a small pack and do the same thing. And this right here, I believe is 500. I'll leave how much it is right up here on the screen for y'all, because your girl is not good at remembering names and different things like that. But right here, this is the DTF powder by GOZYE. And right here, this is the DTF film. And they do have other sizes of the DTF film. I just happen to not have any of the A4, which would be for like smaller designs. I'm going to take this DTF film and I'm actually going to open it up and I'm going to check it out and let you guys know what I think of it. All right, and it is actually double wrapped. So they have wrapped it up pretty good. You don't have to worry about different little issues that can happen during shipping because they actually have packaged this thing up pretty good. I'm going to go ahead, open this thing up. Actually, I don't think I have to open it all the way up. I can just slide it out on the end right here. It does have a little sticker on here that tells you the print side. Sometimes you get these film and they do not have difference in the size and you have to kind of figure it out. So that's a plus for that, just having that, the sticker on there that lets you know the size. This film is matte and not glossy, which helps it go through your printers a whole lot easier. Yeah, sometimes when you got that glossy film, when it's glossy on one side, it kind of sometimes has a hard time going through your printer. Sometimes with the DTF film right here and right here, you see the sheet with their branding and stuff on, but on the other side, bang, you got the instructions. A lot of the DTF film that you buy, and a lot of it that I have purchased, does not have the instructions. So right here, you do see, it comes with the instructions just in case you are new to DTF, because a lot of the film that you buy, it don't even have no instructions or anything, but right here, you can expect to have the instructions to make sure that you are using the product correctly, even if you are a first-time user. But this is the GOZYE DTF film and DTF powder. Make sure y'all use my link down below the video. I appreciate y'all watching. And if you liked the video or found it helpful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you're watching and you have not subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And make sure you use that link down below to save some money. And I will see you in the next episode of TshirtChick TV. But until then, be blessed.